Today, employers across the Bay Area are coming together to learn more about the impact of cancer in the workplace. Cindy Toronto from Moffitt and cancer survivor Kathy Bishop are here to explain what this means. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Thank you.
So there's a big event going on today, but obviously people at home are missing that. So that's why we're so excited that you ladies are joining us today, so we can still get this message across, which is so important. I think a lot of misconceptions about this too, and when you're diagnosed with cancer, can you work? How can you work? And that's where Moffitt is stepping in and kind of changing the name of the game for this, right?
Exactly, yes. Thank you for having us. This is our first event at Moffitt where we're hosting employers from across the state. Employers are the ultimate payer. They design the benefits and they pay for the benefits for their employees. So as they're thinking about cancer care, we want Moffitt to be top of mind. And we want to share with them the various innovations that we have and new programs. So we'll be telling the story from a patient's perspective for the day. And one of the areas that we'll highlight is return to work during cancer care. And that's a new innovative thought for many employers who, when they think there's a diagnosis that the individual may not be able to come back to work. One of the areas that is important to focus on is fatigue. And as we know, fatigue is one of the serious side effects of many of the cancer treatments. So we have a new program that helps individuals with fatigue during their cancer, that gives them a better quality of life and enables them to get back to work. So that's just one of the programs that we'll highlight during the day.
And that's what I love, what I'm learning about Moffitt is there's actually kind of patient advocates that are helping you do this, helping you return to work. And that's where I want you, if you can. I wish we had 2 hours to go over your story because it is a beautiful one. But cancer, a survivor of colon cancer.
Yes.
What do you think the message is when it comes to workplace and working with cancer? You were an assistant principal. I know you loved your kids.
I love my kids.
How important was it to stay at work as long as you could and do what you could?
Well, I do not want to miss work because I need to find out what those kids are up to every day. So I have to tell you that I went to work every day. The only difference would have been that I left work on time instead of staying 4 or 5 hours later in the afternoon
Like most
to get other
teachers
things
do.
done.
I know.
So you can work through chemotherapy. I also had my chemotherapy on from my port to my pump while I was working. The only thing that I wanted to protect was the children, so they were not aware of what I was going through. And to tell you the truth, Carly, the parents didn't know either. I continued the same routine. I did everything I was supposed to do to protect kids, educate them, support teachers and parents. So they had no idea until I actually took off to have surgery that she was missing. Where is she?
We're just about out of time, but what is your message for those wanting, you know, if they've been diagnosed this recently or know someone who is, but still want to work? What do you want people to understand?
You need to understand to keep that purpose in life, that purpose to get up and contribute and love and enjoy every day, and have Moffitt as your advocate because they kept me going. And I so appreciate it.
Thank you, Kathy. Thank you. It's so important where you get your cancer treatment.
It is.
Moffitt Cancer Center is a National Cancer Institute designated comprehensive cancer center. You have your best chance of beating cancer.
Ladies, thank you so much for being here this morning. Good luck with everything. It was a pleasure meeting you. We'll, of course, put details on our website as well.